what's up guys? Check this out. It's a wireless bridge by Ruijie. This is RG-EST330F-P. Inside the box, manuals, the main device, Ruijie wireless bridge, a power adapter that powers the device, converts some of the power to the LAN, a mounting strap, screwdrivers. Of course guys, jump in and let's take a look at something that makes this one a little bit more different than the usual wireless bridge we often see out there. Okay, to power this one on guys, you will need this like kind of power injector for this guy. So we plugged the power for this one, and as you can see here, there's a DC 24 volts, PoE, and then LAN. So once you plug that one in, then we kinda plug that PoE to power this one on, right? So I'm going to plug it here, then plug it on the first LAN PoE. Okay, so you will see that it would be like the system is going to blink. So it means to say that this is powered on, right? Okay, the next thing you gotta do is, let's try to see if this can power both of these ones. I'm going to plug this one here. This is the second CCTV. There you go. So I'm going to plug the first CCTV, yellow. Okay, and then we're going to plug also the second CCTV, which is the one, and let's try to wait. Alright, if you try to look closely here guys, you can see that LAN 1 is blinking. It means to say that we have a link, and then LAN 2 in LAN 3 wherein the CCTV is connected and the CCTV is connected is blinking, wherein they have basically linked together. They are currently powered on. So if you're going to use this one, then this will give 2 more power output for PoE devices. Now try to check this one guys. This power, the power adapter that comes with it, and then this is the PoE. It's going to power this one. This will be the uplink LAN. Alright, so that's basically how to set this one up, wherein you can have extra power, extra devices. Well, that's about this device. If you want to check out this device for a network solution for CCTVs or PoE devices, check the link on the description below and try to check this one out.